Hello guys and welcome to another video. No, it's not going to work. Hello guys and welcome to a tutorial where I'll be showing you how to make a flying machine and build them. First you want to grab some wooden blocks in the air, make them like a square shape, like so. Then just make a square. And make sure all the sides of the square are perfectly even, just to make sure it will work nicely. Place one there, place. Now we have the square. I'm just going to scale everything in of the square. But if you don't have the scale, you can just place. Like so. It's a little square. Next, you want to grab your chair, normal car seat, right here. Then you want to get your engines, and you want to place them right at the back. So then you want to place the balloons evenly across the build. Like so. Make sure they're all even, so I recommend you do what I have done here. And put your move to 0.5 for a more accurate build. Like so. Place. Just place them like this, really. Like so. I'm gonna want to make a little like square around it, like a rim. Then you're gonna have to fill that in and make sure it's neat. Now we're gonna have to fill the ring in with balloons. And it doesn't matter if they're attached or not. I recommend they to be attached. And there we have it. They're all nicely placed. And now you're going to go and place your parachutes. Let's go to the build menu, find the parachute menu, like so. And you're going to want to scale them around the sides, so 4 times. Like so over here. Place scale. Like this. I've run out of parachutes here, but if you want more, you can. So you want to save this into any slot you have here. Then you're going to want to sit down. To launch, before you launch, you have to press the parachutes. Then you have to press the button. Then you want to unanchor. Oh, sorry, I think I've placed the engines wrong. Just wait a second. Yeah, the engines were wrong. Okay, so now if I anchor it again, I should be able to place the engines and then it'll be working fine. When you're doing it, just place the engines When I have done it, I place the engines in the ground, so that's why it didn't work. Place. Now, you should be able to do it. Yeah, see. As you can see, it's a basic flying machine that runs infinitely, does not need fuel, and if you go too low, you can just glide back down. Works really nice. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for more.